Did he just run over a wallaby? Pinky on the billy. Black shorts settling in to base camp. Eyes peeled for parrots above. He's done that before. The Dick and Balls Billy. Coffee bags. Ooh la la. BS likes it. He's got to lure those parrots down. Some kangaroos. There's a dreaming Joey. The big man. Yep. Joey. Mama. And the crazy auntie. Big guy doing the piss off ear shake. Flexing the calves. Look at that front paw. Eye contact. Time to get the hell out of there, BS. Time to get in your hammock. And stop harassing kangaroos. You need a little drinky. What's going on here? Oh my god, it's like a cartoon. Ooh, action. Looks like some Tom Cruise level stunt. Little sippies. Keep hydrating, old black shorts. And he's off. Looks like a chilly morning. This beautiful spot. Magic water. And BS pondering in the dunes. Must be warming up a bit. Here we bloody go. He's going in for his cold plunge. It's James Bond strutting out of the water, pondering the horizon. Good old black shorts. A wallaby. Little baby guy. Munching on a shoot. He hops off on it. No. Some little dummy moves there to trick BS. The log over the brown river. Dips the toe in. Some rainbow lorikeets perving down on BS. He's going to get koala neck from looking up so much. The leopard. And popping the toes back into the brown river. Back to base. There's some performative reading. How good's the blank page? Who's this? It's a satin bowerbird. BS getting artsy here. It's snack time. It's all about food, this app. And stainless steel mugs. He's in a cheeky mood, thumbs up, and we've got a parrot. Yes, this is the glorious King Parrot. Another thumbs up. BS is pumped. This is what he's wanted. He's going in for a closer look. Eye contact and another thumbs up. Find eye contact, a red flag in a man. Look at this little ringer. This is the male one. The red head. The girls are green. So much eye contact from BS. And he's off on another mission. Another brown river. And that's a new move for black shorts. You can't resist those brown waters. Wow, look at this beautiful spot. A happy skip from BS as he heads to the water. This new swimming thing is weird, but snorkel time. What do you see, Blackie? The water is so clear and nice. He's off for a stroll on the rocks. And he's back for a tree climb. The leopard. The straddle. And it's a pied oyster catcher with his little offspring. Look at that little ducky baby. Old grey pants. And a bunch of king parrots have come to visit. There's the wife, the green one. And old GP is squirming in to get right amongst the action. Look at that. The males are very aggressive and territorial. He's going in for a tail stroke. These guys eat fruit and seeds, and they like to live in groups. They're getting amongst it. Always getting mad, the men. It's always the bloody men. And this is a nice chilled out guy having a chew and a swallow. And Parrots Get Mad. Little rainbow lorikeet there visiting. The men are taking control. Look at the eye on that one. BS is embarrassed about the whole commotion. It's like going to your friend's house in primary school and they have a fight with their parents in front of you. Little tail touch. Kookaburra. Where's the sausage? Now this is a crimson rosella, my secret favourite. Fruit, seed, nectar and berry eaters. Usually live in pairs. There's his wife, that greener one there. BS is getting more bold with the tail grabs. And a couple of rainbow lorikeets. So they eat pollen with their long tongues. Crimson again. Check out the plumage on it. And here's the Parrot King on his throne. Old grey pants overseeing a parrot frenzy. They seem to like him. Yep, there we go. It's a status thing to get the hand of grey pants for these birds. Little bobs. Face to face. They love it. See? They all want grey pants. Grey pants and his parrot kingdom. Where your tail may get grabbed. Come on. They're not dogs. What a great adventure. Thanks, Grey Pants.